This is the start of Starr Ranch access road off of Gray Rock Road. It's about a mile and a quarter into the headquarters. It was in bad shape, and City Service Contracting fixed it in June 2020. 930,000 pounds of asphalt. The first section was okay, and then it started getting bad, and they fixed different sections depending on how severe the damage was. Also 250,000 pounds of base and 30 yards of concrete. This area was particularly bad, so it was completely redone. And every once in a while you'd get sections that have been solid for 30 years, maybe a few potholes that got repaired, but otherwise pretty stable. And then another long section right before we get to the gate. And this area had some bad potholes, which they did a great job repairing, and then every once in a while you get a longer section where it was more damaged than just potholes that repair could deal with. And approaching our northern, what we call the flat crossing, fairly wide one, and since the creek has started changing direction, this section here was about 60 feet long, was done with concrete, because if it was just asphalt, the creek would, when it came up, would just tear it out. Sections with longer stretches of repair, and this one area was particularly bad. And we had a severe flood a couple of years ago that water came down the road and took out everything, all the old pavement. So this area had to be totally redone, with also some base material to provide drainage underneath. Here's the second dip crossing, we call, second one in Bell Creek, and right at the far end we added 20 feet of concrete, because this is another place that gets impacted by high water. And then a section here of repaving, and then from here on down it's I think it's about 1,600 feet, in pretty good shape, pretty solid, stable. So it just really required a few potholes to be filled in. This short section here had several potholes, but they're all repaired.